All right, so you guys know I've always said I will always be completely honest with you guys with reviews. Anything I put on this bike that I've reviewed, paid for out of pocket myself, something that was sent to me, 100% will always be honest. Those of you that have been around on the channel for the last year or so, you know I'm honest about everything I've done on this bike. If something sucks, if it's good, completely transparent and honest about it. So I paid for these top covers from Nice CNC. I have, quite a few things on my bike from them. That linkage lever, the foot control arm lever, my derby cover, the transmission cover on this side. I mean, I've gotten a couple things that I've bought from them, right? Well, a little update now that the weather's warmed up and the fluid in our hydraulic reservoirs are getting a lot thinner, viscosity. The pressure is building up a little bit from the heat while riding. Well, my hydraulic side from this cap is starting to leak brake fluid. And as some of you know, brake fluid is very corrosive. Well, thank God, as you can see, it dripped straight down into this area when it was over here, when I had my bike parked over here. We can see these two spots. That's brake fluid from this. And then when my wife and I were out riding the other day, I noticed that it was streaming out of the gasket, coming off of my perch clamp, coming onto my control housings, and then just flinging brake fluid off of the nearest point. And then when it's just sitting here, I'm getting brake fluid. As you can see, there's actually brake fluid on there now. Let me zoom in. See that? There's a drip, right? Come on. Right there is brake fluid. Watch this. That is not good. That is not good. That gets on your paint. That's eating through the clear coat. That's getting all the way down to the metal of the bike. Brake fluid is very, very corrosive. I have no idea why. It looks like maybe it's coming out of these shoddy screw holes. I don't know. It's not over tightened. I don't understand why it's leaking like it is, but needless to say, I will be removing these gold top cap covers because I'm not going to have my paint ruined. I'm not going to have my paint ruined from brake fluid dripping out just so I can have gold caps. Like, it's just not worth it to me. And I don't see any other types of fixes for this. I mean, you can't tighten it more because then it's going to put so much pressure that it pushes the seal outwards and then it's going to leak then. If you loosen it too much, it's going to leak. I just don't see a happy medium here on fixing this. So in the meantime, until I can reach out to them and see just what the hell's going on, maybe they have a revised version, I don't know. But until I can figure out a way to get this to stop leaking, I will be removing it because I'll be damned if I allow some brake fluid to ruin my paint job. Not happening. So like I said, I'm always honest with you guys. So if you order these from Nice CNC, just keep an eye out on, make sure you're not leaking brake fluid out of your clutch reservoir or your brake reservoir. All right, guys. Much love. We'll talk to you soon. Coming up this week, Bad Boy Cycles. I don't know if you guys know this, but they make fatter bag guards. Real nice, fatter ones than the stock. Here, I'll show you. They're in this box over here. I'm going to be putting these on and reviewing them for you guys. They're very nice. They're very thick, beefy bag guards. So we'll be putting those on the bike. All right, guys, we'll talk to you soon. Have a good week.